been doing some work on the little house project. I hope you like our little bit of work that we've done so far. We've cleaned out quite a bit. Well, we did clean it all out. We cleaned out all the manure, the clutter crap out of there, and we're pushing it aside now, getting ready to bury permanent wire from the pole. The ground was frozen, so only got about halfway done with that, so we gotta wait till it thaws out before we can bury our wire from the pole to the building. So I hope you enjoy these videos as we get ready to build our little house on the bluffs. Goes the wife and the black sheep, going back up to the camper. Here's our little house on the bluffs. Got rid of most of the critter cluttering crap. See bottom at least. Slow down so you can see. But we got to tear all that trim off, the rest of that lath board off. Clean it out really good. Tear all the floor off. See if them floor joists are any good. They look pretty solid under there, but I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when we get done. This used to be for a chimney. You can see way up there. They had the chimney coming out for the old stove. Then somebody moved one over there for a while. Filled in a door right there. You can see. Door right there. Either doors or windows. I don't know what they did, but who knows how many times they remodeled these even back in the day. Another door. This may have been 2 rooms at one time, because you got a door there and the old door there. I bet it was 2 classrooms. They had a stove for both sides. Very small classrooms back in those days. So we'll see. They had water coming in here, the corner. There's an old well out here buried underneath this mess. I'm going to build a lid out of concrete and put on there to protect it. We don't know if that well's still good or not, but we're going to check it out. Anyways, I can still touch it, so it's probably about 7-10 now that I got rid of about a foot of crap in here. But we're gonna see what this place looks like underneath. Been doing, you can see the mess out there. This all came out of this building. All that pile of stuff came out of here. That's a big pile. That'd fill a truck. We're gonna just spread it out somewhere. It's just all manure and straw and hay. So we're gonna spread it out. Build a big bonfire this summer. Burn a lot of stuff. Scrap a lot of stuff. But it's coming along. Little house on the bluffs is in the works, folks. All right, we took some wood off the floor. Got a little more cluster out of here. People that did some demo in the past just threw everything underneath. We're going to take that out. Don't need a big fire hazard. My voice sounds muffled. It's because I got a mask on. But I'm starting to figure this old building out. That's a back door. This is a front door, 2 front doors, 2 back doors. And this used to be for the chimney, going up and out for 2 separate classrooms, is my guess, because they're still part of the old wall, divider wall, to divide the 2 rooms. I'm assuming back in the day they had a boys' side and a girl's side. I don't know, so they wouldn't tease each other. Anyways, we're finishing pulling the lath off right now. and we're going to clean out what they left behind and make sure it doesn't. It's got really good floor joists, 2x10s. They're still in really good shape, so that's a bonus and a blessing. So right now we're just finishing tearing off the sides and the lath, but doing my homework here. I can see this was 2 separate rooms with 2 separate back doors, probably to the outhouses out back somewhere that used to be there, and 2 front doors, 2 entry doors in 1 separate room. I mean 1 chimney. I'm guessing maybe the boys had to tend the fire. I don't know. The gentlemen that they were back in the day. And the girls got the better side. That would be what I would have done. But anyways, door 1, door 2, door 3, and door 4. But these trailer house doors are going bye-bye. Trailer house windows. The old black sheep putting in some overtime. It's earned its keep. Now it's just making some overtime. Lots of plywood for the little house clear over there. Siding and floor. We'll show you how to this could even be a cheap alternative to your trailer house siding. If you don't want to pay for the high dollar stuff, you can use this chipboard, put it on backwards and paint it. So that's what we're going to do for our little house for now, until we can side it with some steel later in life. Okay, here's the flooring for the little house. We got it at Home Depot. They were clearancing it out. 80 cents a square foot. Not a bad deal. Got our wire too for the little house. Getting ready to go on this thing. Gonna make a trip out there today. So we got our flooring. Here's some bottles and treasures we've been digging out of here. It says V8. That's an old Ford hubcap of some kind. Don't know what the rest of this stuff is. Dug it out of here. We're digging. Must have had a dog right here too.